Understanding the foreclosure timeline. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and somewhat complex topic relevant to homeowners and homebuyers alike: the foreclosure timeline. Understanding this process is crucial, especially if you're in the real estate market or interested in how property ownership can change under financial strain. Let's break it down together, making it easy to grasp for English language learners. We hope you find this explainer video enlightening. Foreclosure is a legal process where a lender attempts to recover the balance of a loan from a borrower who has stopped making payments to the lender by forcing the sale of the asset used as the collateral for the loan. In simpler terms, if someone can't pay their mortgage, the bank can take back the property to recover its money. This process doesn't happen overnight. There's a specific timeline that is followed, which can vary by country and state. Step 1. Missed payments. Foreclosure starts when a homeowner misses their mortgage payments. Generally, lenders allow a grace period. However, once the payment is more than 30 days late, the lender may initiate the foreclosure process. Step 2. Pre-foreclosure. After the initial missed payments, the lender will issue a notice of default. This marks the beginning of the pre-foreclosure phase, where the borrower can either pay off the debt or negotiate terms with the lender. This period can last 3 to 6 months, depending on local laws. Step 3. Notice of trustee's sale. If the debt is not resolved, the lender will then issue a notice of trustee's sale in non-judicial foreclosure states, announcing that the property will be sold at auction. The borrower is given a final opportunity to settle the debt up until the sale date. Step 4. Auction. The property is then put up for public auction. If it doesn't sell there, it becomes a real estate-owned (REO) property of the bank. Step 5. Post-foreclosure. If a new owner purchases the property at auction, the original homeowner must vacate the property. If the property goes unsold, it becomes an REO, and the bank will likely try to sell it through the real estate market. Foreclosure can be a stressful and daunting process. Here are some tips to avoid it. Communicate with your lender as soon as you realize you might miss a payment. Explore loan modification, refinancing, or forbearance options. Consider selling the property yourself before the foreclosure sale. Foreclosure is a detailed process with significant consequences for homeowners. By understanding the foreclosure timeline, you can better navigate or avoid this situation. We hope this video has shed some light on the steps involved in foreclosure and how it can be addressed. Remember, facing financial difficulties is challenging, but there are always steps you can take to mitigate the situation. Thank you for watching, and please stay informed and proactive regarding your financial and housing situations.